Did you know? 85% of all jobs are filled through networking. The power of local networking is simply astounding. Now imagine this power at your fingertips every day, every minute. This is the promise of Netclan's Explore tab. Imagine a world where you could connect with professionals in your hometown, alumni from your college, or perhaps even those who share your hobbies. The Explore tab makes it possible. It's a dynamic tool designed to help you discover and connect with like-minded individuals in your locality. You might wonder, what's the big deal about local networking? Well, for starters, it's about building relationships. It's about harnessing the power of familiarity and shared experiences to forge stronger connections. It's about being part of a community, sharing ideas, and growing together. The Explore tab is not just about who you know, it's about who you could know. It's about discovering potential mentors, future business partners, or even your next employer. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and stepping into a world of endless possibilities. Using the Explore tab is simple. You can apply various filters like hometown, college, industry, profession, hobbies, and more to curate your search. The control is in your hands. You decide who you want to connect with, how, and when. Let's take a moment to appreciate the convenience of this feature. It's like having a networking event in your pocket, available 24/7. No more waiting for the next big event or seminar to network. The Explore tab brings the networking event to you. In conclusion, the Explore tab is your gateway to local networking. It's about harnessing the power of your locality to build meaningful relationships. It's about discovering new people, new ideas, and new opportunities. So, why not explore your hyperlocal users and connect with a few interesting people today? Happy networking!